Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, March 13, 2025, covering market moves in tech, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes showed substantial declines today. The Nasdaq Composite Index fell 345 points to 17,303. The Nasdaq 100 dropped 370 points to 19,225. All sectors display very strong negative trends. Market breadth was decisively negative. The Nasdaq Composite saw just 573 advances versus 2,606 declines. The technology sector showed similar weakness with 66 advances against 627 declines. Weekly returns reflect broad weakness. The Nasdaq 100 is down 4.8% week to date. The Nasdaq Composite has declined 4.9%, while the technology sector has fallen 3.7%. Among top performers, Intel surged 14.6%, gaining 3.2 to 23.70. Cadence Design Systems and Applied Materials managed modest gains despite the broader market weakness. On a week-to-date basis, Intel leads with a 14.8% gain. However, other top performers still show negative weekly returns, with Cadence down 0.7% and Applied Materials down 3.7%. Leading declines, Adobe plunged 13.8% to 377.84, hitting a one-year low. The trade desk dropped 10.4% to 53.88, while Atlassian fell 8.1%. Week-to-date declines are significant among underperformers. The trade desk has fallen 17%, Adobe is down 15.9%, and Atlassian has declined 12.9%. Technology-focused ETFs showed significant weakness. The QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both fell by more than 1.7%. The leveraged ETFs showed amplified movements, with ProShares 3x bullish QQQ dropping 5.4%, while the 3x bearish QQQ gained the same amount. Returns analysis shows mounting losses across tech ETFs. Week to date, ProShares 3x bullish QQQ is down 14.3%, while the 3x bearish QQQ has gained 14.7%. Year to date, most tech ETFs are showing significant negative returns, with losses ranging from 8% to 27%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms led declines, dropping 4.6%, while Apple fell 3.3% amid strong downward volatility and 4 consecutive down days. Alphabet and Amazon each declined 2.5%, showing strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance shows significant weakness across these tech leaders. Apple has declined over 16%, while Alphabet is down 13.5%. Only Meta Platforms maintains a slight positive return at 0.88% for the year. In semiconductors, Intel surged 14.6% with a very strong positive trend. DataVault AI gained 7.3% over 3 consecutive up days. Allegro Microsystems added 5.2% while maintaining a very strong positive trend. Week-to-date returns show Intel leading with a 14.8% gain, while DataVault AI added 12.3%. Allegro Microsystems shows strength in monthly returns, up 17.7% for March. In cloud computing, Cadence Design Systems rose nearly 1% over 3 consecutive up days. Splunk and VMware remained unchanged, with Splunk showing 15 days of flat price movement despite a very strong positive trend. Looking at year-to-date performance, VMware leads with a 16% gain, while Cadence Design Systems has declined nearly 20%. Citrix Systems shows stability with a 9.8% gain despite 16 days of flat trading. In AI and robotics, AeroVironment gained 2% despite a very strong negative trend. Oceaneering International added 1% over 3 consecutive up days, while RTX rose nearly 1% with a very strong positive trend. Year-to-date figures show RTX leading with an 11.6% gain. Oceaneering International has declined 25%, while AeroVironment is down 19.4% despite today's gains. In AI and robotics, thematic ETFs, all funds are showing negative trends today. Pacer US cash cows, growth ETF and robotics and automation led declines, falling 2% and 1.7% respectively. Automation has closed down 3 consecutive days. Week-to-date returns show robotics and automation and Pacer US cash cows growth both down over 5%. Robotics has declined 4% this week while maintaining relatively lower volatility compared to peers. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance today. BYD and XPeng each gained 2.5%, showing very strong positive trends. Canoo remained flat but exhibited strong upward volatility. XPeng leads year-to-date returns at 114%, with impressive momentum maintaining a 17.9% gain this month. BYD shows consistent growth with a 38.8% year-to-date return. Canoo continues struggling, down 73.8% this year. Quantum computing stocks showed mixed results today. D-Wave Quantum surged 18.7%, marking its 3rd consecutive positive close. Applied Materials and Honeywell International posted modest gains despite strong negative trends. D-Wave Quantum leads weekly returns with a 33.4% gain, though still down 17.7% year-to-date. Quantum computing has struggled significantly, falling 66.8% this year despite this week's 9.1% bounce. Solar stocks showed strong gains today. Shoals Technologies jumped 10.8% after breaking out from sideways movement. Sioux Nation Energy rose 10.3%, while Amerin gained 5.7% despite high volatility. Shoals Technologies leads weekly performance with a 15.6% gain, though down 41% year-to-date. Sioux Nation Energy shows extreme volatility, down 19.7% this week despite today's surge, and has fallen 87.8% this year. In tech thematic ETFs, First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor ETF gained 62 cents to 78.72, showing consecutive up days despite a very strong negative trend. Other semiconductor ETFs closed lower, with SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF experiencing the largest decline. Year-to-date returns show significant variation. First Trust Index Innovative Transaction and Process ETF stands out with a 4.5% gain, while SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF has declined over 15%. Weekly returns are negative across all funds, ranging from -2.3% to -5.4%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.